One day I have asked my guru that what if we all know that we have to die and still we are doing so many things, we are caring about so many things, so many stressed, uh, so many types of disease. There are so many things we are doing. Why not we are just focusing on God and do bhakti or do meditation like Jnana Yoga and through Bhakti Yoga, and that is why this is not happening. Why everyone just pretending like they will not die, but the truth is all have to die. Death is the death is the permanent, but it's also a part of journey. But I have asked to my guru, and my guru replied that you know, human mind you cannot kept in, you cannot control it, and those who can control those only can know that what he should do or what she should do in this manushya life, in this human life. The purpose of human life actually they realizes, and those does not control in their senses, does not have any control in their mind. They just do whatever their mind is saying. That's how all these things are going. So but here is the actual answer is hidden in day 123 out of 700 days, 700 shlokas of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 3, shloka 5. न हि कश्चित् क्षणमपि जातु दृष्टत् कर्मकृत् कार्यते हवस्य कर्म सर्व प्रकृति जैर गुणैः. Sri Premanand Maharaj Ji also told that Maya is so powerful. You cannot leave it. You know, many sant, many great sadhus, many great saints who have done a lot of practices, who have done a lot of meditation. One day, one moment, or they just break it. The break it means their senses sometimes become uncontrollable. That Sri Krishna said that this Maya is so powerful that one cannot control himself by not doing any karma. So this is what you cannot. You are meditating. So the reason behind meditating is whether you want inner peace, and or whether you want to know yourself. You want to know the Paramatma. You want to know the origin of your. So the purpose is something. That is what you are doing. So this is karma. This is karma, not karma. Karma. So you cannot do it. If you sleep is karma. If you playing is the karma. So this is how. It's all because of this Maya. It is so powerful, and this is the hidden. And this is the. I got my answer in this shloka, and I really thank you, Sri Krishna, for giving me this. This is very worth for me. Hare Krishna.